Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we create number separator in Excel. And if we enter number here is 10, press separate. All possible odd number here and even number here. Reset and other entries 100. All possibles even and odd number is here. So let's start our today lesson without wastage of time. First of all, we press window R, type here Excel and go to Excel file. Excel file open. Now we press Alt F11 or go to developer tab, directly Visual Basic. Command is open. Now insert Userform and insert or just align our requirement. Change Userform caption, type here number separator. Insert here 3 label box, 3 label, 1 text box and 3 command button and 2 list box. 1, 2. Adjust list size. Command button. Press A, Control A, select and go to font size, change caption, 3 dot click, bold and font size is 12. OK. First of all, first command button, caption change, separator. Unload me, sorry, reset. Exit. Go to label, first label text, please enter your number. Odd number, and even number. Design phase complete now. Design mode OK. Press F5 to check our design mode. OK, think OK. Again go to command button and assign is a coding. First of all, press separator, double click, declare 2 variable name comma I as integer, assign values num equal to text box 1 dot value and assign here is a for loop for I equal to 1 to num and step command use step equal to, again sign is a list box 1 dot addition edit items I. Next I same copy paste, just simple difference here is a sign plus and press 1. Again go to Userform 1 and reset, type here is unload me Userform 1 dot show. Again and exit sign unload me, press F5 to check it working. separator, everything is here. Reset and exit. Check it is a problem. We cannot change list box sign. List box 2. Again press F5. 10. You see here all odd number here and all even number here. It is a separate command. If we enter 4 digit, 3 digit or 4 digit, what's happen? Sorry, reset. Type it is 1000, 100, reset, 999. Everything is working now. In last, we request to you kindly like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel and give us your valuable feedback in comment section. If we want to save this file, so that when open file and Excel sheet no open, directly our Userform open, go to this file workbook and change here general to workbook and open to active worksheet. Activate. Type command application dot visible equal to false, Userform one dot show. Save command, go to desktop, macros enabled workbook, number sep, desktop, save. Close file and number sep here. So kindly give us your valuable feedback and comment section. Our program is working now accurately. Thanks for watching.